Hello neighbors, it's Brad here at eTrailer, and today I'm with Greg from B&W, and we're taking a look at some of their line of accessories for OEM prep packages. So that's really a new trend with a lot of the OEM manufacturers putting a puck system in, and that allows you to drop in a fifth wheel or a gooseneck. They're already prepped for it, but with a gooseneck, you do have some accessories that you are going to need to safely tow, and that's where you guys come into play. So what do we have here today?
Here we have our OEM gooseneck prep. This ball and safety chain kit. The safety chain kit here is a simple one piece. You drop it in, turn it, let go of the lock, and it locks in place, and that gives you the place to hook your safety chains to. Our ball is quite unique from the OEM manufacturers out there that have the release on the top. We wanted to get away from having to come into contact with the ball itself, so we've come with the trigger on our handle to be able to pick it up. That way you don't have to come in contact with the ball itself. Squeeze the trigger, lock the handle down, and it locks it in place so it won't come out.
So no grease on the hands when you're taking the ball out.
Correct.
That's definitely well thought out, because again, that's something that until you're ready to take that ball out, you don't have to go get gloves. You got the handle ready to rock there.
Absolutely. It also comes with a plug when the ball is not being in use, so you can keep that receiver covered. And then everything stores in a plastic case, so it's not just rattling around loose under the seat of the truck when you're not using it.
And this will work with all the manufacturers that have the OEM prep, correct?
Correct. There are two part numbers. One will cover the Ram, because they use a larger puck on the safety chains, and the other kit will cover Ford, Chevy, and Nissan.
Now, obviously, when you're hauling gooseneck, generally there's some high weight associated with that. What's the weight rating on these in particular?
The weight rating on our OEM ball kit is 30,000 pounds.
So that should cover just about everything.
It should, yes.
Just like any B&W product that I've dealt with, which is pretty much the whole line of what they have, I've been highly impressed. It's well thought out. They're well made. You can really ask anyone that has any B&W products, and they're going to say the same thing. And you can just see the thought process of all the engineering that goes into it. This is super easy. It's all made in the U.S. too. It's just really thought out with the consumer and the person that's actually using this day in and day out in mind, just to make your towing experience that much better. So huge thanks to Greg from B&W for taking the time to show us the OEM prep package and some of the hardware that you guys can get for your truck.